how to do proper Entrechat Quatre in ballet. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Cheryl Ale. I'm the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm here to teach dancers and teachers to be the very best that you can be. This is really ballet for everybody, everybody. We're going to cover Entrechat Quatre. So let's get started. Entrechat Quatre. Hi, we're here today to talk about how to do a proper Entrechat Quatre, another strange French word which we have decided we tried to define. We had my co-producer's friend, my dear friend's husband, define that for us. He is Belgium and he's from Belgium. And he said Entrechat is between the cat. So Entrechat, between the cat, must mean that the cat, you're jumping in the air and there goes the cat. I don't know. Make up the story any way you like. But that sounds good for now. Adriana's so nice that she agrees with me on this, so we'll go with that story. So with Entrechat Quatre, it has to be both legs, not one leg beating the cat. No, not one leg beating. It has to be both legs because I would suppose the cat is running in between the entrance of the cat, right? So it's a rebound that happens. So Adriana is going to do a combination that will exemplify the Entrechat Quatre. Oh, also one more thing. A quatre is 4, so you're only doing 2 moves. So how do we get to 4? It's because they're timesing 2, 4. Both legs represent 2 beats, so that's how it's Entrechat Quatre. Go ahead. Lovely. You see, both legs were moving. And she was going straight up, and that was as good as it gets. If this is your first time to this channel, we'd love it if you would subscribe. Also, go check out CherylAle.com. This channel is all about helping dancers dance better and teachers teach better. Remember, hit that subscribe button and see you next time.